Hi everyone, welcome back to Jady Kreativ. I hope you're all doing great today. Today, I'll share 9 quick hand sewing tips that can make your stitching easier, faster, and more fun. From threading a needle to tying the perfect knot. Let's jump right in and discover these little tricks together. Got some leftover thread from your last sewing project? Don't toss it. Today I'll show you a super easy way to use it to thread a needle. Let's do it together. One more quick run through so it's crystal clear. By the way, I'll also show you how to knot the thread before starting and after finishing a stitch. Depending on the fabric thickness, you can loop the thread once or twice to make the knot stronger. And this is how you knot the thread at the end of your stitch. Tie off with 1 loop for light fabrics or 2 loops for extra strength. And when trimming the thread, avoid cutting too close to the knot, or it might come undone. Tie a double knot. Have you ever ruined your clothes by cutting the buttonhole too far like I did? Today, I'll show you a simple trick so you'll never cut past the stitches again. Use your seam ripper the right way, don't tear your fabric like I did here. First, use the sharp tip to cut a small section of the thread you want to remove. Then slip the red ball end underneath. And gently pull it through. By this way, the fabric won't tear. Here's a neat trick to separate embroidery thread without tangling. First, fold your thread in half. At the folded end, pick out a single strand and start pulling it. This way, the strand separates smoothly without knots or tangles. Each embroidery floss has 2 ends, but which one should you pull first to keep it from tangling? Let's find out together. Pull the thread from the inner mark on the label, this way, it won't get tangled. If your thread is running short, here's a quick way to tie a finished knot. This is tip for finishing knot for a straight stitch. It keeps your stitches neat and prevents them from coming undone. And that's all for today's video. I hope these hand sewing hacks help you enjoy your stitching time even more. If you found a tip that really works for you, let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more creative sewing ideas from Jady Kreativ. See you next time.